Hello everyone, today we will try to learn the mica producing areas in India with short trick. Before getting into the short trick, I like to share some information regarding mica. The Mineral Exploration Corporation Limited or MECL is the company which is responsible for exploring various minerals and ores using the processes of drilling and exploratory mining. It is a public sector company which takes up exploration for both the Government of India and other agencies on a contractual basis. According to the Mineral Exploration Corporation Limited, India has still not fully explored its rich mineral wealth. India holds the third rank in case of coal and lignite production, second rank in case of barite production, fourth in the case of iron ore, fifth in the case of bauxite and crude steel, seventh in case of manganese ore, and eighth position in case of aluminium production. So here we are with the topic mica. Mica has been used in India since ancient times as a medicinal item in Ayurveda and is known as abrak. With the development of electrical industry, mica found new area of use. Its insulating properties have made it a valuable mineral in electrical and electronics industry. It can withstand high voltage and has low power loss factor. So here we can find the major mica production areas which are found in India. As you can see, in Rajasthan we can find the Ajmer region where you can find mica, and in Bihar we have Gaya, and in Jharkhand we can see the region that is Hazaribagh, and in Andhra Pradesh we can find the mica deposits in Nellore region of Andhra Pradesh. So we are going to learn all this mica producing area with a short trick. Now the short trick is American Nell gone Hazaribagh. So the Nell belongs to America and is gone. Gone in Hindi is known as Gaya to Hazaribagh. Now how it is going to make us learn the major mica producing areas or the mica deposits in India. American stands for Ajmer, Rajasthan. Nell stands for Nellore region, Andhra Pradesh. Gone stands for, I already told you, in Gone means Gaya in Hindi. So Gone stands for Gaya in Bihar. Hazaribagh stands for Hazaribagh, which is in Jharkhand. So this is all about the major mica producing areas which are found in India. We can learn through the short trick American Nell gone Hazaribagh. If you like the video, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe us and click on the notification bell, as it will inform you when we will launch our new videos. Thanks for watching.